Okay, influenza part 2. I was just describing in the first video how you want to make sure to have ice packs for the back of your neck and your chest for when you get the high fevers with influenza, and you want to keep yourself from any type of seizure or heart attack that can come as a complication. Also, to up your fluids, so to be drinking a lot of cold water. You could have very watered down juice or watered down lemonade if you want a little bit of sugar for your dizziness. But also some more ideas for fighting this virus is magnesium is wonderful to take in place of like an ibuprofen, where most people would reach for Tylenol or aspirin or something for their headache. Magnesium does wonders because it works through your whole nervous system. Also, vitamin D is very important to your health. Vitamin C, obviously. Oils and herbs and spices are very good when you have viruses because they build your immunity up, and it kind of cancels and fights against all these bad germs and bacteria and virus. Another thing is when you can't get your fever down, to try to fill the bath up completely with like lukewarm water. You don't want it super cold and you don't want it blazing hot. You want it warm to warm hot. Something that you're going to be comfortable and not be shivering in, but that will, if it's cooler than your fever, it's going to draw that heat out of your body very fast because it does it what do I want to say? It does it like all at the same time. It draws it out from head to toe, rather than you take the pill and you have to wait for it to be digested, go through your bloodstream, do all of that, where through your skin is like a conduit, and that heat can leave your body through water. And the last thing I would say for the influenza is definitely rest. I have seen that when you take the vitamins, you do the ice, you're doing all the other things that I described. Rest is extremely important because when you rest, when you close your eyes, when you go into deep sleep, and just sleep it off, because your body then is going to be fully freed up to use all of its energy to go ahead and take over that sickness. And it does. It's very helpful, and it's very successful at taking that virus away. It usually lasts about 1 to 3 days, and it comes on strong, and there's a lot of pain with the headaches, and you know, you might have upper respiratory. If you do, then I would change to hot water and start sipping that. Keep sipping the hot water until that mucus gets liquid enough so that you can cough it out. But otherwise, sleep it off as well. Hopefully you take care.